Alright guys, so this is our transmission bracing. We just went on a phone call with Jared Larson and replaced the pump seal. I don't know why this thing's so blurry. Probably because it's blurry. There we go. But we just replaced the pump seal and went through all the clutches. He said everything looks perfect. So I'm gonna hurry and paint this black and then clean up the bell, clean up the tranny, and paint all this shit black so it looks real nice. So wish us luck. My kid fell asleep. He's with me today because school's out. We'll clean all this stuff up and then, get it all put together. Pick up the motor later today, hopefully, and get them joined together tomorrow and get this engine and transmission in. It is a Larson built transmission. It's I believe like the second stage, he has like 4 stages and it's the 3rd stage. We ended up moving the seat back a little bit to make sure my legs are straight. Noah's got the column getting sent out today. We got steering all the way down, besides sway bars. I'm still not really sure on what I want to do with the sway bar situation, but everything is done. I need to get that tire a tube in it. This one's fine, it's a little slashed up, but still holds air, so I'm not going to worry about any of that. So yeah, we're going to clean up the trans, do that, and then I got to go ship a trans out. We got this is the color of the engine cradle. Got one piece done. This is the halo piece. And we got my boy wanted to mount the roof sign with me, so we put that on, painted a little black around it. If not, I'll mask it off a little bit. But yeah, got everything bolted down. I do gotta still steal the box and idler off that car. They put a fix-it plate right over the bolt. So yeah, we're gonna keep on keeping on and get this tranny together so we can still make good progress, so we're not stressed on time. So wish me luck. Oh, and I raised the rear end up, so it's 16.5 inches to top of bumper, bottom of bumper. So when we put the 22s on, it'll be exactly 14 inches to bottom, in theory. If not, I can adjust it, but I'll show you guys when we get the tranny all together. Alright guys, so we got the motor and transmission together. Waiting on a pulley kit for the front, and carburetor's getting rejetted. But we're about to stuff it in and see how it goes.